Welcome back. Kamal Higher Secondary students have taken a bright initiative to enlighten its students and public on road safety. They have painted road signboards in the college premises for awareness.
The students of Kamal College at Nuve have painted several traffic signs in the college garden yard to create an awareness about road signs and to promote safe driving culture in Goa. The students were also a part of the road safety patrolling and had organized several traffic safety drives at Nuve along with Goa Can. Elita Rodriguez informed more about these signs painted in the Kamal College premises.
We have made this so that there is awareness of traffic rules by students. They should know the traffic rules, and whenever there is no occurrence of accidents, and they should be aware of it, how to follow the traffic rules, and they should know the signs.
These signs have been painted in the college yard so that the public as well as students get aware about the road safety. Our reporter in Nuve, Savio Dias.
And now news from sports. A.I.I.M.S Delhi and Haryana won the men's and women's titles at the All India Shootingball Gold Cup at Morji. The tournament was organized by the Shootingball Association of Goa under the aegis of Shootingball Federation of India.
A.I.I.M.S defeated Uttar Pradesh in the men's finals, while Haryana beat Goa in the women's finals. Here are the highlights of the men's and women's finals.
Mr. Jagdish and his team playing nice. There's two players on the floor. Dinesh, good effort from Dinesh for his side. Jagdish shoot the ball. Good response, find the net. Good shot from Sean this time. Sean is a good player on goal, shooting ball. This time Rosa clearing the net. Ankita. Good rally going on. In this mega final, our guest, shooting ball. We are in this mega final in court number 1. So thanks to them to hosting this final, cheering the girls in this mega final.
Shooting ball officials and other dignitaries presented prizes to the successful teams. Goa's Luisa Fernandez was named best player in the women's category.
The associationचे जे members आहेत ज्यांच्याने आमका हेल्प केलो इतलो सपोर्ट केलो तेंका पयले हांव थँक्स करता आनी म्हज्या टिमीचो इतलो म्हाका सपोर्ट दिलो आनी तेचे एज अ रिजल्ट आमी फायनलीक पावली हे टायम तेजो आमी लास्ट 7-8 years वाट पळयताली की फायनल आमी जिखपाची ह्या फावटी पॉसिबल जावना पूण एटलीस्ट आमी पावली फायनली घेवपाक आनी नेक्स्ट टुर्नामेंटाक आमी श्योर फर्स्ट प्लेस हाडपाची आमी आमचे लेवल बेस्ट ट्राय करतली म्हूण सगळ्यांक आश्वासन दिता.
A reporter from Pedne, Vinod Mithar.
The number of school cricket tournaments have increased in the last 7 to 8 years. These tournaments are home to untapped cricketing talent. Prudent asked Goa Ranji coach Vivek Kolamkar if GCA officials or scouts attend school tournament matches to spot talent. Kolamkar told Prudent there is no such talent scouting in place, but the player-turned-coach has put in a special requisition to GCA President Diana Narvekar to constitute a talent scouting team at the soonest.
A while ago, Vivek Kolamkar happened to attend one of the school tournaments finals and witnessed a cool, calm and composed innings under pressure by a school lad named Paritosh Fatte from Mustifund High School. Vivek was instantly impressed.
Seen one fellow from Mustifund, Paritosh Fatte, he looks promising, and the most encouraging thing was he has a cool mind and he took his team. I think, if I'm not wrong, they were going at, they needed 7 runs per over something, and still this guy was very cool and he he batted throughout the innings and they won the match. They won the finals for his team.
Right now the head coach is doing talent spotting job. Any suggestions to the management to get some talent spotters or some scouters?
Yeah, it has to be, because see, we have some coaches here appointed by the association, and during our off times, if we could manage to see those matches, I mean especially those school matches or the club matches, even the A division matches, we can spot out some good talent so that we can create our bench strength, because we need some bench strength for these players. See, suppose if a player gets injured, I mean from the main team, we need his backup so that we cannot panic at that tournament during a particular phase of the tournament. And now even the school boys have a good opportunity to display their skills, perform well, and get noticed, and so that we can bring them in the academy and train them, so that we can create our bench strength.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Fallari from Panji.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media.